Alright guys, I think that the fender is probably almost ready to get off. We're gonna get it off now. It's off. I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV.
Perfect.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another installment of the RSX project. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to fix RSX seats on a budget. Okay, so this is very cheap, very easy, and you can pretty much do this at home. Right here, black. Give it a good shake. This stuff's like pretty much almost empty, but who cares? So I'm gonna show you. This is the rip seat right here. This is how you repair it, cheap.
You could always sew it.
You see that, guys? That's repaired. That's repaired. Now, I'm gonna show you how to do the other side. Come with me. Whoa. Don't know why this is here. Snowblower. And we're gonna get to that. That's an issue. Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah, we're not gonna do that yet. We're gonna inspect this damage so we know what parts we gotta order. I'm gonna get the jack. You always wanna make sure you always jack it up where you can jack it up. In this scenario, there's almost nothing to jack it up on because the floor is completely rotten. And as we jack it up, that tire is gonna move nice and easy. Whew. All right, let's get this wheel off. This is the moment of truth, guys. It's really bad. This is the worst I've ever seen it. Wow. Hold on a sec, I'm gonna get a light. All right, come check this out with me, guys. We got a lot of damage here. So, right off the bat, we got some damage. You can see this whole fender is kaput. All the way down here, all the way to here, this is damaged. So, 100% gonna need a fender, 100%. Next thing we're gonna need is, if you guys can see that, the axle broke, and that's not cream, that's grease. Actually, I'm going to move my tire now out of the way because we're not putting that on for a little bit. But yeah, so we got the axle. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this ball joint, well, it came right out of the cuppy. So we're gonna need to get a new ball joint. It's just spraying grease everywhere. The rotor, still good. Rotor's still good. And another good thing about this is I'm looking at the hose here. The hose is in great shape. Really good shape. I thought it would be like wet or damp or anything, but it's not. So that's good. But it looks like a little bit of work ahead of us. I'm just trying to see what's going on here. Wow. Yeah. So that's what I'm ordering up, guys. I'm ordering up an axle, probably used, ball joint, probably a new ball joint, and I'm gonna try and find a fender that's silver, because the fender on this is in bad shape. And yeah, there's There's no way we can use that axle. But on another note, guys, it's not the end of the world. It's just gonna take a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, and a whole lot of fun. Cause you guys like that, I guess. But yeah, and also we're gonna get a light, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, guys, I'm going to take this fender off. I'm already taking out the inner fender here. I'm gonna take this fender off because, well, for one, it's just not helping us. It's getting in the way, and it's an issue. So the inner fender's coming off right now. I'm just gonna pull it off because it's hanging on by one clip. So that might go back on, but it's probably not going back on because, well, the fender's not in good shape. But now we're gonna take a fender off. There's no reason to have this on, so we're taking it off. So you just want, I'm gonna save these bolts obviously because we're gonna be putting a new one on, and no, we're not repairing this. So come check us out. There's a bolt here, and in theory, there's not a whole lot holding this on. We can almost pull this off. Well, we're gonna have to take out this light bulb stud too. Because we're gonna have to shift this headlight just a little bit, and then it's gonna come right off. So it's pretty simple. Wow. Why don't you freaking stop holding that in? And there's one behind the door. So, and if your bolt, is it focusing? If your bolt ever gets stuck in your socket where you can't get it out, just throw it on the ground. It'll come out every time. See? Every time comes out when it gets thrown on the ground. So we just got one more to do. Oh shoot. And also this pole comes right out of the jack. Boom. So now I can have the car jacked up while I open it. See, now I open it. So yeah, this, when you open a door, it exposes this bolt. Boom. It's out. So now, pretty much, we got a little bit more room to work with. There's just another inner shield. If you don't install this, wind will get in your car and it'll sound terrible. We're gonna install that, but yeah, guys, look at how bad this is. There's no repairing this. It's completely junk. So now, look at all this room I opened up just by taking the fender off. And now, I'm gonna show you how to repair that under seat too. Make sure it's fast dry. So we can open the door now. This one, honestly guys, you could probably sew that up, but for this application, we're gonna get right in there close. Oh shoot. Look, that's fixed. That's 100% fixed, guys. And if you guys want any free stuff out of this car, like a pocket power inverter, let me know. If yeah, let me know if you pay shipping, you get it for free. Or there's this. This is like a cigarette lighter wall charger, USB, compliments of the guy who sold me the car. There's loads of goodies. So we got that. We got the fender off. I'm gonna order some parts because we can't do any repairs on this without our parts, without doing the parts. So we're gonna do that. Also, we broke the tab on this. That's not a big deal. This tab is supposed to be here. I don't think that's gonna be an issue for anything. So we got the fender off, we're making progress. We don't have the parts. We're gonna get the parts, put them on. But I'll have a disclaimer. I kind of knew the axle was broken, but I thought I could put the axle back in the cup. That's not the case. That's gone. The axle's 100% kaput. It's gone. We're not doing that. So what we are doing, we're gonna order some parts. Next time, we're gonna put these parts back on. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for hanging in there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, don't kid anybody, don't lie. Dislike the video. It'll help me help you create better stuff. But as always, guys, make sure you subscribe. If you're here and you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that bell notification. You'll get notified. I put out a video every week, maybe earlier, but 100% one video a week. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much. Have a good time. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.